seconds, or...
What's good, gang?
Hey guys, here with RPM Diecast, and today we have a Hot Wheels ID 2017 Nissan GTR R35. Now these ID cars are pretty cool. That came with like an app you could get on your phone, and then you had a track. You scanned them in to the app, kind of like Skylanders, or like those Disney Infinity people. You like put them on a pad and it goes into the game, which was kind of, I mean, it was okay. I've seen videos of it, and you put them down the track. Yeah, I'll play the video.
All that's left to do is drop your car down the classic track toward the race portal. You can do this with multiple cars too. By releasing them down the track one at a time, the portal will pick up your car's speed and display it in the app on the leaderboard. In slingshot mode, you can watch your car as it launches through hoops, boxes, and other obstacles. Practice timing your drop so you can beat these challenges, level up, and earn special achievements.
So it was kind of cool. It was kind of gimmicky. Like, it's definitely more for kids. Like, it was probably 80% fantasy castings, and then they started putting out some licensed stuff. There was a Nissan, there's GTR, there was a Porsche, there was a Chevy of some sort. I don't know, I was just looking at them online, because we have a few of these, but it's like, we have this one, and then there's the Time of Taxi, and let me go grab them. Anyway, yes, the Time of Taxi and the, what's this called? The Shark Hammer. So most of these are fantasy. Like I said, there was this and then a few licensed ones, which was nice, but then right when they started producing the licensed ones, they stopped producing the ID cars. Like it says right on it here, limited run collectible. Now, I do think this was geared definitely more towards kids. This hobby has become more of like an adult thing, it feels like. Although we get lots of kids with that new TV show, I think it's called Hot Wheels Unleashed, that are buying all of our fantasy castings, which is really nice because we buy collections and we get so many fantasy castings. So now those are finally, you know, flooding out, which is nice. But yeah, they were discontinued because the chips on the back, the licensing for them was discontinued. And also I think the sales just were not there. At least that's what I read online. But when I first heard it, they stopped it was because of the licensing on the chips went, is what I was told when they first, like I said, stopped producing them. But anyway, this is the, like I said, 34 Skyline in blue. Let's get her cracked open. And the phone's ringing. Also, I will be having one last big eBay auction on my RPM Diecast, which will be in the link below. It'll start probably, I'm gonna say Saturday of this week. Saturday the 1st. Is the 1st Saturday, or is it the 2nd? Let me look here. The 2nd is Saturday. So to start the 2nd, it'll end the 9th. And it'll be over 100 cars for sale. Up for auction. That's how it comes out of the box. Wow, this is nice. I will go do some close-ups with it as well. But it's like a nice dark blue. Just looking detailed taillights. Definitely thought it was going to have rubber wheels for some reason. It's just got the standard wheels, and then there's that chip that are on all of these ID cars. Yeah, really nice blue. But anyway, we'll pop this on the spinner, and then we will come back and chat about it. is the 2017 Nissan GTR R35. Really, really nice casting. Now, again, a little shocked they aren't rubber just because of the price, but I mean, like, we sell them for 10 bucks in the shop. I don't know what the MSRP used to be, but they're discontinued. You can't even get these in stores now, unless you come to like a shop. But yeah. But other than that, again, I haven't seen this paint job before, where it's kind of, I don't know if it just didn't get enough paint on it or what, but it looks like, almost like, yeah, it didn't get enough paint. But it is right-hand drive, which is pretty cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget about our giveaway for the Super T-Hunt and the R34 Skyline and the eBay auction coming on Saturday. Check the link down below for that. And don't forget to keep on collecting.